took game 3 in double overtime, trying to find a way against this top-level Carolina team, and we are underway in game 4, and you see Matthew Olivier shovels it back towards the back of the net, and here comes Trenton to finish off his check against Brady Shea. An errant pass picked off in the neutral zone by Ryan Ellis. He's got Luke Kunin. Kunin back for Mikhail Grayman. Kunin in front. He scores! 7 seconds in, it's Luke Kunin.
This is transition. Ryan Ellis, nice little chip pass here to Luke Kunin. He tries to hand it off to Granlund and goes right to the net and gets the puck back and tucks it through the legs of Alex Nedeljkovic to give the Preds a 1-0 lead. What a play. The transition, the net drive.
Paula trying to get it out. Sent back up in the air again with some hang time. Aho centers it through the legs. A great shot, but it's held off by Saros. And starts ahead. Trenton and Olivier together. A pair of rookies. The trailer, Carrier! Ricocheted wide. Around the board, past the broken stick. Jarnkrok knocked over. Cousins tried to send it around the rim. Centering pass again. Kicked out in the air. Saros has it. Looking around over his shoulder. The puck still appears. Duchesne shot out of the cannon. Bursts the speed. Turns to the forehand and got a good shot away. Shouldered aside by Nedeljkovic. Hakanpää getting physical in the corner. Haula joins in. Slamming down the boards. Harper. And now numbers coming for Carolina. Necas up the wing. He's got a 3-on-2. Full drag. Lost it. Rebound score. It just floated past Saros, and it was tucked in on the far side.
Get an odd man rush here. It starts out here. It's a 3-on-1. You can see Harper hustling back, making it a 3-on-2. And Necas right there, little toe drag. And he gets disrupted. Benning gets a piece of it. He does a good job of getting his stick on the puck. And then it just comes into the chaos here, and Trocheck, right at the side of the net, battling with Cousins, is able to get a stick and just shovel.
Well played by Aho. Now on the counter. In neutral territory, Duchesne jumps on it. Duchesne drives it ahead. Duchesne to Johansson. Glove save to Nedeljkovic. Nashville trying to capitalize. Physical play in the corner. Johansson wins the battle, gets it to Ekholm, changes the lane, got through, rebound, juggling, it's still loose, they score!
Battling with speed, watch this. It's just going on, and then Johansson, get out of my way. Gets the puck, keeps possession. Forsberg, Johansson go to the net, and Ekholm just get it through. Nedeljkovic thinks he has it. Duchesne is there. He chips away. And Johansson comes back to the slot. Backhands it in. Preds lead 2-0. 2-1. What a battle. My goodness, what a hit by Matthew Olivier.
Now here comes Trenton. It's a 2-on-0. Olivier to Trenton. Save Nedeljkovic. It comes back to Olivier. Taking the lead. A brilliant save by the rookie. Keeps it 2-1. Puck loose. Ekholm lost the stick. Numbers down low. Shot out of the corner. Still loose side of the net. Johansson moves it back into the corner. Olivier still out there. He's tired. Shot. Score! Nashville was disorganized. Couldn't get out of their own zone. And a rocket from the half wall by Brock McGinn ties things for a second time.
Fires it to the net, and then you get running around here. Watch this little exchange. And Saros doesn't see it. There's 2 layers of traffic in front of him. He's just going down, trying to fill up space, and this is just a perfect shot by Brock McGinn. Gets by Johansson, by Ellis, off the post.
Kunin and Johansson for Nashville. Trocheck and McGinn for the Canes. Roman Josi absorbs a big check. Puck picked up, McGinn, he scores. Brock McGinn, 13 seconds after the opening faceoff.
Again, in the intermission, they wanted to get in there and cause some havoc, and Martinook comes in, Stahl follows up and gets that puck right back to McGinn, and as he's falling, just lifts An absolutely perfect time that you have a shot and an opportunity to get it through to the net. You know you're going to have traffic there. Plays will open up, but you have to establish that shot first.
Score!
Look at this great play there. Little fake shot. And then Cousins, you find the lane, just get it to the net. Paula directs it to the net, and Nick Cousins comes in the high slot and directs that into the top corner. Kelly Armcroke at the side as well. What a goal there.
He's exhausted. Foss can't get it out. Cunnin coming over the boards. It's kept alive. Here's Carrier. He's fresh. He has a passway to the net. He shoots! Save made Nedeljkovic! And Carrier came flying in for the rebound and got a piece of the goaltender. Putting it in gear, Forsberg. Forsberg, across! What a save! Nedeljkovic doing the splits. Spectacular. With a monster save on Cousins. Cousins still working. It comes out to Ellis. Ellis, again looking in front. Ellis crashes in. Ellis weighing his options. Ekholm will drive. Rebound! What a save! Nedeljkovic! Spectacular! And what do we have? Played with a high stick.
It's going to go up, gets it on his glove or hits something there and then recognizes where that puck goes. He locates it. And again, full split. Right here. Oh my gosh. See Cousins throw the head back. So I always have to remember the low part of the
5 seconds. Martinook. And for a second straight game, we go beyond the 60-minute mark. Colton Sissons and the Herd started off. Lorentz flings it in. A frantic play in the corner. They battle for it. Harper gets it to Granlund. Out of the box comes Cousins. A stretch pass his way. Cousins has got a 2-on-1. Here they come. Save made! Jarnkrok is stopped. Natchez in the corner against Ekholm. He's got a man open. Beat. A quick release. Trocheck tried to guide it in. Booms off the backboard. Niederreiter. It ricocheted. What a reaction by Saros. Picked up by Duchesne. Duchesne against Bean. Curls to the middle. A backhander. Save Nedeljkovic.
What a move by Matt Duchesne. Blazing speed.
Martinook crashing in. Up the boards. Olivier with Hakanpää. Martinook out of the corner. Back to Hakanpää. The shot. Rebound. McGinn trying to get turned. Throws it back at the net. Save made by Saros. Carrier. Stick exploded. Belonging to Luke Cunnin. He's got to hurry to get another one. Meanwhile, here comes Josi. Shot to the outside wide. Comes out Jarnkrok. Jarnkrok teed it up. He had nobody in front. Here's the pass. Cunnin! He scores! Yes, sir! Overtime winner! Number 2!
What a sequence here, and get the puck, and to get it on the cycle, right to the front of the net. Luke Cunnin coming down the pipe, one touches it past Nedeljkovic. What a pass by Granlund, and the crowd goes nuts. Unbelievable. Second game in a row, the Predators win in double overtime.